welcome to a beautiful edition of Ferdinand Tutorials. I hope you are doing well. I hope you're okay wherever you are. May God keep us for you, please. You are important to us. Please be well. Now, today we are going to be talking about pig farming. Now, when we are talking about pig farming, there are two words here, pig and farming. Are you getting it? But this video is not only meant for anyhow person. This video is meant for anybody that loves this tutorial. This video is meant for any person that is studying pig, anybody that loves pig as an organism, anybody that loves to rear it, anybody that is planning on setting up a farm for pig. Are you getting it? Either for money purpose, or as a hobby, or as teaching, or as what, or as side viewing, or anywhere. So this video is all for you. Also invite people about this video, invite them, tell them about this tutorial. Are you getting it? And God will bless you. Now let's talk about pig farming. Now before we continue about pig farming, let me explain a little bit about pig. Now when we're talking about pig, pig is really a non-ruminant animal. You know, one of the things we see as a pig, we say that this animal is dirty, is not good, I don't love it, it makes noise, it's smelly. No, that is not the first impression you need to know about pig. Yes, even though when other people are saying it, you don't join them. This organism, this animal is one of the best animals you can even train. You can even love to train as an animal husbandry student, as a person, or as an agriculturist. Are you getting it? You will love it. You will love this animal. Don't join them in saying that this pig is dirty. Yes, it's dirty. It depends on you. It boils down to you. Now, as I was saying, I said that pig is a non-ruminant animal. Are you getting it? It belongs to the Sudae family. And sometimes we call it the word to sus species. Because it's a domestic pig. Now, when we're talking about domestic pig, we call it sus domesticus. Are you getting it? Or we call it sus scrofa domesticus. There are many reasons why we rear pig. There are many reasons why we rear pig. Now, one of the reasons why we rear pig is for the what? For the meat purpose. Are you getting it? Now, meat purpose in the sense that pig has it can be able to produce what? A large number of meat. I can due to food intake. So that is it for pig. Let's go back to pig farming. When we are talking about pig farming, say that pig farming is a branch of animal husbandry. It's not just a farming. It's a branch of animal husbandry that talks about what? The rearing of what? Pigs as livestock. Are you getting it? For the purpose of meat production. Are you getting it? For the purpose of generating income. And other purposes that we can think of. Now, pig is one of the is one organism that you don't need to stress yourself training this pig. You don't need to stress yourself doing this, doing that. No. With the little waste you bring out from your kitchen, you feed it to pig. They will happily what? Enjoy it. So that is to say that feed convert waste products, waste food materials in our kitchen to their what? To their normal food. They are not like other animals that you have to suffer to bring their feed. Not that you don't get feed for pig. No, that's not what I mean totally. I'm trying to imply that their feed can also be gotten from the what? The kitchen. Like your waste food product that you don't use again. Waste food product that you think that is not good to eat, give it to pig and see them enjoying it. See them joyfully enjoying it. Are you getting it? This is a major pig farming. Are you getting it? It's a major thing that you will love about this pig farming. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So that is it for this pig farming. Now let's go over to some importance or advantages of rearing this pig. What are the advantages of rearing this pig? And one of the advantages of rearing this pig is that pig has the ability to convert kitchen waste to fat. Now when that pig eats that waste from your kitchen, it converts it to what? It converts it to fat. I get it. Now pig also generates what? Income to the farmer. It generates what? Income to the farmer. Pig also doesn't need much strength to train. Doesn't need much stress to what? To train. So far as you provided the house for them, so far as you provided the house for them, provide their environment, clean it properly, provide water for them, you are good to go. I don't know if you are getting it. So there are some advantages of pig. One of the disadvantages of pig is that it makes noise. I know that's what you've been waiting to hear. I've said it. Pig normally makes noise. You know when pig is eating, there is this noise, funny noise that we normally hear. Are you getting it? It's not good. We don't love it. Right? Good. Now also pig is what? Produces a dirty smell, a foul smelling odor. I don't know if you are getting it. Now, pig naturally they have a smelling odor. Now, to prevent this smelling odor, it's not like you will be sweeping it. Yes, we have to keep it neat also, but you have to keep pig differently from where human beings are living. Like shift it, do like as if you take it a different place, not in just your room that you are living in. No, it will not be conducive for you. So those are one of the disadvantages. Also, another disadvantage of pig is that it requires what? It requires intelligence. Now, pig is not something that you wake up one day and decide to rear. No. You have to study it. You have to know it. Are you getting it? Before you do what? That's why this video is for you. Are you getting it? Now, what do you need to have in place before you start rearing a pig? Now, there are some things you need to have in place before. You don't just wake up and see this advantage. Okay, pig, I need to make money. Let me rear pig. No. There are things that you have to put into consideration before you start rearing pig. I hope you are ready for it. Now, one of the things you have to put into consideration is your what? Land. Do you have land? And land is not like you go to the main road and buy land. No. Go to a rural area. Are you getting a rural area where a land will be cheaper for you, where you can employ laborers and it will be more cheaper for you. Are you getting it? Look for a place that is okay for you. Don't go to a higher place. Don't go to a town. Don't go to a foreign place to set up a pig farm. You are making a mistake. As a starter, you just have to look for a rural place. Are you getting it? Where you can be able to do what? To acquire the land with the little capital you have. That is it. Now you must have a land. Now you must have a room where you can be mixing the feed for this pig. You must have a room where you can be mixing the feed for this pig and also for storing. And also you must have a running water, a pipe water. I get it. It's not like you go out and fetch one bucket. No. You must have a standard water. Now these are the three things that major thing that you have to consider. Are you getting it? Now also you have to check out the breed of this pig. I get it. Check out the breed of this pig. Is it okay for you to rear in this area? This breed of pig, is it okay for me to rear? You know, that's why okay, I'm coming there. I'll be talking about the breeds of pig. So you check the breeds of the pig, check the ones that is okay for you to rear. And also one of the things that we have to consider also is what? Is our religion. You know, that is a problem. That we can group that one as a problem that affects our pig business. It's a factor, a major factor that affects our pig business. You know, when you come to check off your religion, when you have to check religion, you have to check the breeds of these pigs. Are you getting it? Now, some religions say that pig business is not good, like beliefs. Are you getting it? So these are the things. Now, I've talked about what you need to put into consideration before rearing pig, and I've talked about the factors that can hinder you from rearing pig. Are you getting the factors that we look at? But it's okay to obey your religion. It's okay to do what you think is right. But as a farmer also, as an educated person, you know the best thing for you. Are you getting? You do it. But I think pig farm is one of the lucrative business that you can ever think of as a farmer. Now, as I said before, we have some breeds of pig that you can rear. Are you getting? We have the white land race. Are you getting? We have the Burrock what? We have the Burrockshire. Are you getting? We also have the WAD pig. That's West African dwarf. WAD pig. West African dwarf. Are you getting it? It's also a breed of pig. So that is it for this pig farming. That is it for this pig farming. So my advice to every aspiring pig farmer, my advice to every student that is watching this video, my advice to everyone that is watching this video, are you trying to set up a pig farming? Are you trying to look into it as one of the things you can do as a farmer? Yes, it creates employment. Are you trying to look? Yes. Yeah. Are you trying to go into it as a normal business or as a hobby? Now look at what you do. Don't consider the employment part first. Don't consider the money that you get there. If you love it, first of all, have love for this thing. Are you getting it? That's why I love animal husbandry. It's not only talking about the animal that you get money from. Also, you can use this pig as what? As a pet. That's what we'll be talking about, the miniature breed. Are you getting? That's what we'll be talking about, the what? The miniature breed. We can use them as pets. Miniature breed of pigs. Are you getting? The miniature breed of pigs. So you can use them as what? We can use them as pets. So that is it. I get it. So there are many things that you need to know in this pig, but I believe that this little course, this little teaching that I outline here, with this you are good to go. With this you're okay with your pig business. You don't have anything to fear. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. Do you have any question? Yes, I know you have. So write it down in the comment section or directly send me a message on my email at kingsleyferdinand34@gmail.com. We will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here. Please like this video, share and subscribe to your friends who don't know about this tutorial.